Magandang umaga, Pilipinas. Ako po si Dwayne Woolley. You know, it's kind of weird here. Everybody looks Filipino. And that guy looks Filipino. She looks Filipino. She does too. She looks Filipino. So does she. Ang itsura nila, Filipino. Pero hindi sila Filipino. Kausapin ko na. Magandang hapon po. Nakaintindi ka? Nakaintindi ka? Do you understand? No? Hindi sila marunong mag-Tagalog dahil nandito ako ngayon sa Thailand! Woohoo!
The Songkran Festival in Thailand is the Thai New Year's. Every year, people splash water over each other. This splashing of water is symbolic of having your sins washed away.
So yes, I've come here to host an event here in Thailand. It's going to be a lot of fun. And at the same time, I get to enjoy the Songkran Festival. How good's that? What's up everybody? Magandang hapon! Woo! It is Songkran Festival here in Thailand. Sophie and I have just finished hosting an event here.
It's been like a crazy few days.
I know, right? Holy crap.
Just just say, oh.
This is Felix.
Yeah.
Mate, Felix. Guapo, no? Guapo. Hey, kaway ka dyan, pare. Ayun. Kunwari, naintindihan niyang Tagalog. We've got our waterproof bags so we can film. Otherwise, the phone's gonna get wet and just die. Buti na lang hindi ko dinala yung malaki kong camera kasi babasa tayo. Okay. Bad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just you open 400.
Okay.
All the way to Koh San Road?
Yeah, go sorry.
Yeah, Koh San Road. We're going to Koh San Road, which is the life of the party at the Songkran Festival. Good thing we got a Thai speaker with us. That way we don't get ripped off. Oh no! 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 Sige na! Driver is stopping on purpose so we can get wet. Basang sisiw na ako! Nakakainis! I'm not even at Koh San Road yet! Oh no, what the hell? No! No! It's cold! It's ice water! Oh, dude! Holy crap, dude! Oh no! Dangerous to travel this time of year in Thailand! Felix is traumatized.
I knew I should have put tissues. I'm so scared.
If you think tissue also useless on you know. You also get it.
I think this driver took us to the back streets just so we could get wet.
I'm positive.
You did, didn't you, mate? Come
He's
on,
so
mate.
nasty. He's so
You
dry.
cheeky bugger. They get crunk. Alright. Ready to get smashed. The girl is covered in flour. Yeah! Yeah! I got defense! Hey, what?
Yeah, come on.
Hey, kapang kap. Woo! Hey, what's up? Woo-hoo! You have YouTube channel?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Yes,
I
we
didn't
do.
know you.
Oh, really?
You're married to a Filipino.
Yes, tama. Filipino ka?
Oh, Filipino ako. I know
May
you.
Filipino
Yeah, I
dito.
know you from
Talaga? Wow.
Recognize him?
Saan mo napanood ang mga video namin? Sa
I
Facebook or
watch it,
YouTube?
I watch
Okay.
it.
Sa Facebook or
Go back, go back.
Ah, okay.
I'm gonna go back.
Nakakaloka. Sobrang daming tao as in, pero masaya. Ah! Hello! Ah! Whoa! Ah! That flower on my face, man. Kasalanan mo! Felix?
Yup.
Oh, you're clean now, bro. You're clean.